Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make a smooth X and Y position shake effect easy in After Effects. Let's begin. First of all, create a new adjustment layer. From the beginning of an adjustment layer, scroll 30 frames forward and cut the ending. Now move it above the second clip and then make sure you are at the beginning of it and then apply a motion tile effect. Click on Tile Center stopwatch icon to create a keyframe and then move Y position slightly down like that, then change X to the left a bit. Now scroll a few frames forward and then move Y position up a bit. Then move X position to the right side. Let's scroll few frames forward again and then move Y position down a bit. Also change X position to the left. Finally scroll to the end of the layer and then right-click on Tile Center and select Reset to reset the values. Let's quickly check it. Looks fine, but let's fix some issues, and first are the edges of the clip. To fix them, make sure to check Mirror Edges box and then change output height and width to 110. Let's check it again. Nice, it's fixed, but also let's enable motion blur on an adjustment layer to add blurriness, then apply optics compensation effect and make sure to check reverse lens distortion box. Then make sure you are at the beginning of an adjustment layer and click on field of view stopwatch icon and then bump up FOV to 55. Now scroll forward something like this before the layer ends and change FOV back to 0. Let's check it now. Looks cool. X and Y shake is ready. If you want more of shake tutorials, check them on the channel. Also you can get AM Film 16 unique and advanced shake presets from the link in the description. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.